Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So today I released already one video about Nifty. So let me show you the demo on copper. So how the copper reacted yesterday as per our indicator. Let us see now. So as usual, whichever script you want to trade, select that script and add on to the chart. Then come here and you can give a reset button. So here for a reset trading. So what is the next one? So once the market has opened like today, so now market is about to open now, it has opened. Immediately our four lines will be formed. Whichever side it goes first, that side we have to trade. Suppose if it comes to the buy level 627, we will be buying. If it goes to the sell level, that is 632.80, we will be selling. So now as per this, what happened? Buy has been activated because it has come down to our buy zone. Since it has come down to buy zone, come here and enable first buy targets and remove first sell and second buy. Also enable second sell and second sell entry. Why I am asking you to enable the second sell and second sell entry? Because we don't know the market whether it will reverse back or it will come down and hit our SL. If SL is hitting, then we have to go for the second sell and we have to book the profit at the second sell first target, so that our loss will be recovered and we will be in the profit. So hope it is clear. So next, what is the next one? So let the market run as it is. So now it is coming back to our target level. Again it has hit the entry level, but it is not going to stop loss. Yeah, immediately all the three targets have been achieved from our buy zone. See here, once the buy got activated, there was a struggling for 1 hour. So 1 hour there was no target, no SL, and immediately after the fourth candle we got all the three targets have been hit. That's all. It is very simple. So though technically the market was in sell trend. Technically the market was in sell trend. Why I am saying this sell trend? See here, this trend zone. If the candle is below this trend zone, this is the sell zone. If the candles are above the trend zone, this three line, that is the buy zone. But here, as per our buy and sell signal, we got the buy entry here. And before that, as per our default system, the bottom line was our buy zone, and there also we got the buy entry. So we got two confirmation here. Particularly two confirmation here, we got the buy entry here. And see the another beauty, exactly it has touched our sell zone, it has touched our trend zone, then it is falling down. And here also we got one sell entry, and from there also we have got a very good fall. See, where it started to rise, there only it has stopped. So we got the buy entry here, we got the buy signal here, it has reached all the targets immediately, and once again there was a range bound market, and again it has reached up, and it has reached only up to the trend zone, and after that there is a very good big bearish candle, and this we call it as R3C, and once the low is broken, it has fallen again more. And one more confirmation we have got here, there is a sell entry here, and after that also we have got very good entry. So here if you notice this is one bearish engulfing candle, this is the R3C pattern, and this is the bullish engulfing pattern. So we have got very so many opportunities here yesterday in copper. So this is very a simple method. So if you follow this 100%, overall you will be in a profit. So we are not assuring every day you will get a profit, but overall you will get a profit. Okay, thank you all for watching the video. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel, please subscribe and enjoy the profit every day. Thank you. Bye bye. All the best.